Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anora and I am back with another video. Guys, on today's video I want to be showing you how I treat my Brazilian hair. This hair was worn out, so I tried to bring the hair back to life. So I turned the hair from this, as you can see, into this. So for all those who are interested in seeing how I did this and how I go in and washing my Brazilian hair, please just keep watching. And thank you guys so much, always being there. Like, always starting with your hair, you first go in, you brush your hair. You need to brush the hair to free tangle the hair, before you even start with anything. So you just do that and you try to put the hair in a bundle. So I'm using a thread because a rubber band will not be able to stand the hot water that I'm using in washing the hair. So I go in with a thread. I didn't use a rubber band, so that's it. So now that's it. I just go in now and try to put the hair in place, as you can see, and I go in now with my thread and just tie it up a little bit and I cut it. That's it. So when you do all that in all the other bundles, that is how your hair should be looking like before you go in washing your hair. Take note of this, guys. So when you're done with all this, you need a bowl, a bowl to pour in your hot water. So I'm going in with panties. That's my favorite in all my bundles. In my Brazilian hair I use panties hair conditioner and the shampoo. So that's it. So I'll go in up first and put in my shampoo in my bowl. As you can see, I really use a huge quantity of that. So I go in and I pour in hot water. I mean, the water should be hot. So I pour in that hot water, and now I will just put a reasonable quantity of water. The bundles are many, so I just try to stir it to have the shampoo mix in the water before I go in with my bundles. So going with your bundles, you go by one after the other, okay? You don't just put all the bundles inside the water. No, just take note of how I am doing this. You put it one at a time and you make sure the water soaked the hair. I cannot put my hands inside because the water is really hot. It's really hot water. So I just go into all the other bundles now. You go in one by one, okay? Don't put all of them together. No, when each it's soaked with water, then you can now dump all of them in the bowl. So that is what your girl did, guys. I mean, if you do this in your Brazilian hair, you won't regret it. I mean, this really treats your hair good. So I'm just doing all that with the 5 bundles of hair. I got 4 bundles of 28 inches and 1 bundle of 24 inches, I think. Yeah, so all together are 5 bundles that I'm working on right here. So that's it. So now I'm done with all the bundles. Look at the water. I mean, the water is so dirty. Oof, it shows the hair was really dead, guys. So, and now I just go in and I put now the hair all in the water for it to get soaked. That is what your girl doing. And I use a brush. Don't use your hand. If you want to lose your hand, try it. But if you don't want, please don't try it. So that's what your girl is doing. So I just put it there and I let it sit for 5 minutes and I take it off. From 5 minutes, I think the water should be cool enough for you to put your hand inside. So I just take it off and try to squeeze out the water and I change the water, and you go in with shampoo. So take it out of the water and change the water. I go in still with shampoo. This is the second time I'm going in with shampoo, so I just do that. Put a reasonable quantity of shampoo. After you put the shampoo, just go in now with water and pour in the water in the bowl, and you go in now with your bundle. The same method. So you can see I'm doing it fast forward here because you already saw what I did in the first process. So you just do the same thing and you dump all the hair in water and you let it sit there for 5 more minutes, and so that is it. And when you're done with that, you just take off the hair, and now you go in with your conditioner. Going with your conditioner, you have to put your bundles in your bowl and you start putting the conditioner on the bundles. It's conditioner, so you really need to put a huge amount of quantity in the bundles. So you just go in now and you try to massage the conditioner in the bundles. So that is what your girl is doing. So I just do that in all of the bundles. I just do that same method in all of the bundles, and I think that is it with the washing of the hair. And now I will go in now with the combing. After you apply your conditioner on your hair, you should always make sure you go in with your comb. So that is it, guys. So I go with my comb. Starting with combing the hair, you start from the tips of the hair. Okay, when you're combing even your natural hair, we should always make sure we take our time in doing it. So that's it. I just start with the tips of the hair and I make my way through. You see what the hair it's going, you see how it's going so smoothly. So when you start from the tips, you've already detangled the tips. So when you're going up from the bottom, you see it's just so easy and it's free tangle. So you can see the brush is going through the hair with no problem. So after the combing, you can figure out the hair. Look how the hair is soft, guys. So that is just what I am doing. So I just go in now and doing the same thing in all of the other bundles. So that is what your girl is doing. So just follow the steps, please, guys. Follow the steps as I'm doing in. You wouldn't regret it. Look at how soft the hair is, how soft the hair is. In anything you want to do, you should always have patience in doing it. When you do it patiently, you will have the best results. So when I'm done with that, I just go in now and put still hot water, but it's not real that hot, you know. You see my hands can touch the water. So you just go in now, you put some hot water in the bundles and you try and make the hair straight enough. You know, it's a straight bundle, so you want your hair to always be straight. You don't have to wash the hair like you washed a dress or your pants or anything. So you let the hair sit there, and now you can take it to the bathroom. You wash the hair. You can see I am back from the bathroom with washing off my hair. So that is just it, guys. So I go in now with some hangers. I try to air dry the hair. In all my hair, I always air dry my hair. Even my natural hair, I don't use heat, nothing. So I air dry the hair, and that's the result, guys. This is how the hair turns out the next day, because I let it sit outside for the whole night. I was videoing this in the night, so I let it sit the whole night. So this is the next day, and that is how the hair turns out. I just comb the hair and I try to take off the threads, you know. That is it. That is how the hair turned out, and I go in now with the bundles in combing them. So guys, you just continue in combing your hair. So I'm taking off the thread from my bundle. So that's it. As you can see, I'm removing all the thread. You need to like remove all the thread that you tied. So that's the bundle, guys. I'm just combing the hair. I didn't use a babyliss on the hair. You see the hair is still damp, it's still wet because it's not really dry. So I just said, no, let me finish up with this video so I can put it up for you guys to see, you know. So that is it. So I just combed the hair, all the hair off. I didn't use babyliss on the hair. So if you like, you can go in and you babyliss the hair to make it real straight and nice and smooth and the way you want it to look. So thank you guys so much for watching, and that is the end result, guys. As you can see the hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. So I really do appreciate each and every one of you out there. And please, if you are a new viewer or you're viewing my channel for the first time, please do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button, and please turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you will be the first person to get it. And for the old subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back to see how I am doing. Thank you guys so very much. So that's the end result of my hair. So I'm just going in and combing the hair. I'm just like, you know, just enjoying the hair, how smooth and how the comb, the brush is going through the hair with no problems, you know. So I'm really so excited with the end results. So that is the hair. This is the 28 inches, and that is the 24 inches. I'm combing it right now. So that is your girl hair. Thank you guys so very much for watching right up to this moment. I really appreciate each and every one of you out there. Please, if you find the video helpful, do not forget to share the video to your friends, your loved ones, anybody the video can be helpful to. So that is just my hair. Look how the hair is so smooth, guys. I can't get my hand off this hair. The hair is so nice, you know. So thank you guys so very much for watching. I mean, give the video a thumbs up if you find the video helpful, and leave a comment down below on what you want to be seen on my channel. So without further ado, I think I'll be signing off from here. Bye. Peace out.